90's Film Revival Preview. Convert this into this and this into this. First, click on the light panel. Increase the exposure to 0.30. Decrease contrast to -12. Decrease highlights to -28. Increase shadows to -26. Increase whites to 14. Increase blacks to -50. Click on the curve tool at top right. Make the changes as shown. Now go to the color panel. Increase temperature to 14. Increase tint to 4. Increase vibrance to 14. Increase saturation to 10. Now at the top right, click on the Mix Color tool. Now click Orange. Decrease hue to -10. Increase saturation to 12. Increase luminance to 2. Now click on Yellow. Increase hue to 10. Decrease saturation to -10. Decrease luminance to -50. Now click on Done. Now click on the Effects panel. Increase texture to 18. Increase dehaze to 10. Decrease vignette to -18. Increase midpoint to 30. Increase roundness to -14. Increase highlights to 6. Increase grain to 100. Now go to the Detail panel. Increase sharpening to 14. Now go on the Masking tool. Create a mask and select Linear Gradient, as shown. Now click on the Light panel. Decrease exposure to -0.64. Increase contrast to 22. Now go the Masking tool and make a radial gradient as shown. Go to the Lights panel. Decrease contrast to -50. Increase highlights to -28. Now go in the Effects panel. Increase texture to 14. Now you can also make the changes according to your photos. Don't forget to like and comment and do subscribe the channel for more tutorial. Thanks for watching.